I was wondering if you guys have the Columbus sandwich, the new Columbus sandwich.
The chicken sandwich?
Yeah, like the new Columbus, like salad was. What? You guys,
We don't know what that is, but whatever it is, we don't have it because we don't have chicken sandwiches.
It's the new one.
The new one is not called whatever you're saying.
What is it?
Those are called. Is that over there?
Oh, is
We
that?
don't have it.
You guys don't have it?
Sold
You guys
out.
sold out. Do you guys have the Columbus Subeki bear, like the bear that's on the big key, like he can't walk straight? You don't know what I'm talking about? Like it's like a Columbus shesh, like Columbus Subeki, like.
What you see is what we got. That's everybody.
No, I'm saying because it says build a bear. I thought like I could build the Columbus shesh.
We don't have any. We don't have any canes or anything like that.
Can I see the animals with the crutches? How much is this?
The puppy is 22.
Okay.
The casting crutches are 15.
Okay, so this is the Columbus shesh because it has the big key.
Okay.
The crutches, the big key. He can't walk straight.
Right.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I have. So these. Here, let me show you. These are right here. So you can pick any animal on the wall you like, and just add this to it.
Okay.
So the price of the animals includes the stuffing, a little heart inside of it, making it a birth certificate, and getting taken home.
Excuse me. Do you guys have like Zokoko Kalangiet Tabache Fake Click?
I don't know what that means.
What'd you say?
I don't know what that means.
What do you mean? You guys had it like the last time I was here. You guys had the Columbus shesh and Columbus Subeki. It's kind of like the one we got today, but it's on a big key. Like it's on a big key. Like it walks like this. Columbus Subeki. You see what I'm saying? Like this.
Not really.
You don't know what that is?
No, sir.
You don't know what that is? That's crazy. But yesterday, I got the Columbus Subeki because it's a food that's on a big key. It walks like this. Columbus Subeki, Columbus shesh, Zokoko, Kalangiet. You feel me?
Not really. You might have better look at our main location upstairs on level 2 next to Lenscraft near Macy's. That's where we make all of our pretzels.
That's where I might find the Columbus Subeki.
Most likely. It's 3 escalators
I can't
up,
hear
that
you.
way.
I can't hear you.
Most likely. It's 3 escalators up, all the way on the other side of the mall, on the right next to Lenscrafters.
All right, thank you. Do you guys have the Old Navy shirt with the Columbus Subeki?
For men?
Yeah, it's a men shirt, but it has a Columbus Subeki on it, like Columbus Subeki. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, if we did have it, it would be around here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Not really too sure if we have it or not. Haven't seen it.
No, I've seen it on a person. It was like a Columbus Subeki because it couldn't walk right. The legs of the Columbus was broken, so it couldn't walk right. So it was on a bickie. The Columbus was on a bickie, and I'm like, yo, where did you get the shirt? And he said it was at Old Navy, so that's why I'm here to look for the Columbus. You don't know? It's a shirt with somebody broken legs of like a no, somebody I was on a bickie like a crutch, like a Columbus Subeki, and it can't walk. Why are you looking like that?
Because you like someone with a broken leg, and I'm like, what the hell is happening?
No, I seen the shirt on somebody, and I liked it. That's why. That's why.
Did they tell you that we're selling?
Yeah, they said it was here. They told me it was
How long
here.
ago was this?
That was like 2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
Okay, someone with a broken leg.
Yeah, with a broken leg. It's like a Columbus with a bickie, like.
Going like that.
Yeah.
I just want to see you do it one more time. This is funny. If we do have it, if it's not here, it will be in clearance. But let's check over here.
Okay.
Like the shirt itself was blue, and then like the man, what color was it?
The man was it was a Haitian man, it was a Haitian Columbus. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Well, I'm from originally Cape Verde.
Cape Verde?
Yeah.
Okay. But it's okay. I guess, I don't know. You guys probably don't have the Columbus. I don't know.
Yeah, probably not. But you can check clearance if you like. It would being clearance probably.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your help though.
You're welcome.
This is Metro PCS, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so I was wondering if you guys have the Jovenel Moïse plan.
What is that?
Somebody told me it's like the cheapest line you guys have, like the Jovenel Moïse plan.
Our cheapest plan is $40 monthly.
You said what?
40.
$40?
That is our cheapest plan.
It's not called Jovenel Moïse? Oh, wow. Is it unlimited internet and you could get Anel Joseph, like you could get internet, Salud Quiz, Calambis?
No, I want to show you our plans. $40 plan, 10 gigabyte from hotspot, from internet, no hotspot. $50 plan, 5 gigabyte from hotspot, Google One membership. $60 plan, 15 gigabyte from hotspot, Google One membership, and Amazon Prime to include.
So that's the only plan you guys have? I really thought you guys had the Jovenel Moïse plan, seriously.
No.
Cricket, so they sell phones?
We are a phone service.
Like T-Mobile?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys sell Salopus phones?
What is that? I'm sorry.
It's like a Calambis phone, like a Calambis Shesh, like Tabache fait click, like, okay, how can I say that? It's like a company in Haiti. Like I'm wondering if you guys have that type of phone, that type of service.
I haven't heard of it. No. Cricket Wireless, we're under AT&T, so we use AT&T same towers. But I haven't heard of that.
You never heard of Salopus?
No, sorry.
Have you ever heard of Flav Gabel, Catalog Gabel? It's really like a phone. It's like the Calambes sous key. It's on a big key, and it goes like this because it can't walk straight. Parce it's a Calambes. I'm fucking with you. This is Lego, right? Yep. Do you guys have there's a toy that goes like this. It's called the Plumet sans capote. It goes like this. It's a new toy. I don't know. You don't.
I am unfamiliar with it.
You see that?
I don't know.
You don't know what that is?
Yeah.
I'm trying to buy it for my son. Like it's like a toy that goes like this. I don't know. I'm not.
Is it Lego?
Yeah, it is Lego though. But it's like you press a button in it and it goes. Casido. Like I don't know. It's crazy.
There's only a few things that have buttons, so
Only a few things that have what?
like buttons
Okay.
that would actually do anything.
Dude.
My guess would be like the boost, the thing we have on display in the front. I don't know if it's that.
Okay.
It's like just a robot that you can program.
Okay. The cheesecake showering factory
Yeah.
That's
on that side, yeah.
on the other side.
That's all the way on that side, yeah. That's outside.
Okay, so just walk all the way straight to the TCM. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Excuse me, guys. Do you guys know what the showering exit is?
The what?
The showering exit, like next to the cheesecake factory.
You have to go up and all the way over.
All the way up.
Yeah.
And-
Just up one level and all the way over. The Cheesecake Factory is the opposite side of the mountain.
Oh, okay. Alright. I was wondering if you guys are selling plumes.
Clinton, what?
Plumes.
What does that mean?
It's like a diamond ring.
We don't have diamond. We have cubic zirconiums. But we do have 14 karat gold. But like that there is like a cubic zirconium. It's not a diamond.
So it doesn't have plume in it or coin or
No.
none of that stuff.
No.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you guys have the Jovenel shoes?
I'm not familiar with that.
The Jovenel shoes?
Yeah.
Okay. How about the Anel Joseph shoes? Like it's like a shoes that have like a plume in it. You don't know
Do
what
you
that
have any
is?
pictures? No, I'm so sorry.
No, I just seen it on somebody, and I asked them. They said it was here or something like that. What's the name of this store?
Rack room shoes?
Rack Room Shoes.
They said they got it here.
Oh no, they said it was at the Tabache Crack Room. I'm sorry, it's the wrong store.
Oh, okay. All right.
Sorry. I was wondering, do you guys have the game for PlayStation 2? It's like a solid quiz. It's like a solid quiz Colombian chess that's walking on a big key.
We don't sell PS2 games in stores.
She said what?
I don't sell PS2 games in store.
Really?
Yeah, we go back to like PS3.
PS3?
Yeah, but we don't have PS2 games in the store.
You know what game I'm talking about though, right? It's like a guy on a Colombian chess on a big key, like he can't walk straight. Like Dubai. You don't know that? Okay, how about the Salopuz Colombian Sube key phone? It's like a phone that's on a big key. It walks like this because it's on a big key. It can't walk right. It's broken. Can you guys fix it?
Yeah, we can fix. Where's the phone?
It's not on me right now. I just want to get a quote, like a price.
So if you have a two screen, the 179 and the 229 for iPhone XR. It's the last generation, that's why the price will go high.
But why is it so expensive?
Because the XR.
And that's crazy. I'm on child support and stuff like that.
I know. It's 179 is good, like the screen is also good.
Thank you. Wow, merci parce que nous regardez vidéo hein. Et puis pas oublier abonner sur channel moi côté nous elle marqué subscribe là make sure que nous al subscribe sur channel moi et l'offre fin subscribe ou après petit cloche apparaît m'croit petit cloche ba qui va être comme son cloche là cliquez sur lui pour chaque temps poster une vidéo pour YouTube kadou bao il a une vidéo pour pas jamais rater vidéo il a yo vous comprenez ça m'dou là il a toujours nous connaissons bagay déjà. Bon, nous est belle ti photo ça avec belle ti botaille qui nan koum nan. Botaille ça c'est moi même qui fait. Nous même tout si nous voulons botaille ça son drapeau haïtien botaille lié. Nous même tout nous ka l'acheter dans elishamadesigns.com. Ça c'est website moi, nous ka mettre dans description pour nous ka cliquer sur les pour nous ka supporter channel YouTube moi avec moi même. Achetez botaille ça, mettez-le et puis il a lié.